Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 33, часть 2, страница 82-83. English Starlight 4. Homework lesson number 33, part number 2, page number 82-83. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 82. 82. Grammarland. Грамматика. Вопросительные слова. Question words. Who is Mike? He's my cousin. What are these? They're fairy umbrellas. When's Fairy Day? On 24th June. Where's Tracy? She's at the cinema. Why are you so tired? Because I went to bed late. How old are you? I'm 10 years old. We must read the rules. Вопросительные слова. Who – кто? Употребляется, когда спрашиваем о людях. Who is she? She's my friend Sarah. What? Что? Используется, когда спрашиваем о том, что есть что, или о том, чем кто-то занимается. What's that? It's my new camera. What's she doing? She's dancing. Where? Где? Употребляется, когда спрашиваем о местонахождении чего-либо. Where's you? In the garden. Where's Paris? In France. When? Когда? Используется, когда спрашиваем о времени. When is your birthday? On 4th July. Why? Почему? Употребляется, когда спрашиваем о причине. Мы отвечаем на такие вопросы, начиная с because, потому что. Why are you late? Because I missed the bus. How, как, употребляется, когда спрашиваем об образе действия. How are you going to go to the USA? By plane. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Talk with your friend. Поговори со своим другом. Your name. Spell your name. Old are you? Favorite color. Best friend. Time you usually get up. Phone number. What is your name? Alice. The answer. What is your name? My name is Kate. Can you spell your name? K-A-T-E. How old are you? I am 10. What is your favorite color? Green. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Anne. What time do you usually get up? I usually get up at 7 o'clock. What is your phone number? My phone number is 1745208. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and correct. Прочитай и исправь. Number 1, the answer. Where are you from? Number 2. When is May Day? Number 3. Where's your school? Number 4. What time is it? Number 5. What country is Madrid in? Number 6. How old are you? Number 7. When is your best friend's birthday? Number 8. What is your favorite color? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 83. 83. Exercise number 3. Read and underline, then match. Прочитай и выбери, затем сопоставьте. Why are you so happy? The answer. Because yesterday was my birthday. Where did you celebrate your birthday? The answer. At home. What presents did you get? The answer. I got a t-shirt, a baseball cap, and a magic puzzle cube. Who gave you presents? The answer. Linda, Ella, and Bill did. How did you treat the guests? The answer. My mother and I cooked a birthday cake with 10 candles. How did your guests react? The answer. They tasted it and all said, "Wow, it's delicious." What games did you play? The answer. We all liked Guess the Word. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Write the questions for the words in bold. Number 1. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Какой твой любимый цвет? Мой любимый цвет красный. Number 2. Who are you phoning? Кому ты звонишь? Number 2, the answer. I'm phoning my mom. Number 3. When is your birthday? Когда у тебя день рождения? Number 3, the answer. My birthday is on 5th May. Number 4. How old are you? Сколько тебе лет? Number 4, the answer. I'm 12 years old. Number 5. Where is my book? Где моя книга? Number 5, the answer. The book is on your desk. Number 6. What is Sharon? Кем работает Шарон? Number 6, the answer. Sharon is a doctor. Number 7. Where is Claire? Где Claire? Number 7, the answer. Claire is in Australia. Number 8. How much is it? Сколько это стоит? Number 8. The answer. It's 20 pounds. Let's play. Why can't elephants fly? Why? Because. The answer. Давай играть. Почему слоны не умеют летать? Because they are very big and they haven't got wings. Потому что они очень большие и у них нет крыльев. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.